This is the elevator to the F terminal shuttle at Terminal A at Philadelphia International Airport in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This is another Montgomery KONE elevator with ADAMS SurvivorPlus, except this one's hydraulic and not glass. Down to 1, here we go down. KONE sensors. That's so good. Vibrates too. Here comes the 2R. It's a nice and basic kind of 90s stainless steel tile cap. Some cables there. Those are earplugs. Like a 2R. Cabinet's open. Emergency light does not work. It just turns off all the car lights. Back to 2R.
Oh, wow.
I was not going to do that.